Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 power 5 by 5 power 5 plus 5 power 3 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 5 power 5 by 5 power 5 we can write it as 5 power 3 plus 2 plus 5 power 3. So 5 power 5 by exponent rule x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power m. So 5 power 3 times 5 power 2 plus 5 power 3. So 5 power 5 by 5 power 3. So if I'll take common from the denominator, so 5 power 2 plus 1. Now 5 power 5 by 5 power 3, exponent rule x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So 5 power 5 minus 3 by 5 power 2 is 25 plus 1. So 5 power 2 by 26. 5 square is 25 by 26. So our answer is 25 by 26. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.